I have worked for greater than 2 decades serving business owners that are preparing to retire or retired already. A lot of what they're trying to consider when they get to this point is should they sell their business or have a family member join the business. The two key concerns that they have is number one is they want to protect what they've built. The key thing for my clients is that they've worked hard, they went through the grind to build what they have over a 30, 40-year period. And the one key thing is they can't afford to lose half of what they've built. The reason why, which is obvious, is they can't go back and rebuild what they just built. So protection of their assets is the number one key thing. And the second part is they also don't want to run out of money. They don't want to run out of money during these retirement years and then be a burden on their children. So these are the two key concerns that they have. So when I work with you, the number one thing that I want to do is I want to understand is what is your vision for your life for the rest of your life? And then number two, do you have enough assets saved that will generate enough income to be able to accomplish this vision you have for the rest of your life? And then number three, when I go through and understand your life and the vision of your life, I want to understand is what gaps are you exposed to right now? And then what do I need to do to close those gaps as soon as possible? When it comes to investing your capital, the most important thing for you to understand is that we have greater than 50 plus years worth of research that we use that builds every model that we will run and invest for you. So it's not that we just take your money, put it in stocks or bonds, some type of big Wall Street firm program. Rather than we really are students of the markets and we're calculated in our approach, and we use this 52 plus years research as a foundation on how we're going to work with you and manage your money going forward. The key thing is with our approach is that we are not looking to time the market because we think that's impossible to do. We are not trying to time which directions we feel interest rates are going. And number three is we're not going to try to figure out where we think the economy is going. What we're going to do is create a balanced approach that no matter what environment that we're exposed to, what economic environment that we're exposed to, whether growth is increasing or growth is decreasing, or whether inflation is increasing or inflation is decreasing, no matter what environment that we're exposed to, you will have a balanced approach that will help assist in protecting you on the downside and giving you a reasonable rate of return on the upside to accomplish your life's vision. That is the most important part when it comes to working with me. And then finally, as a fiduciary to you, that means that your interests have to come first in every piece of advice that I give you legally. So we operate on a very secure platform working with BNY Mellon's Pershing that operates as your custodian and offers you protection of your assets in the event something were to occur with trading, loss of capital, etc. We look forward to connecting with you to tell you more about how we can serve you going forward under our umbrella of achieving peace of mind for you and your family. And that starts with the vision for your life and understanding that, the 52 plus year research that we utilize as a foundation to manage your money in a secure platform as a legal fiduciary in serving both you and your family.